As of January 2021, Elon Musk has become the richest person in the world, with a whopping net worth of more than $185 billion. Musk's money surge over the previous year marks the quickest rise to the top of the billionaire list in history and is a dramatic monetary turnaround for the outspoken businessman. He was in the news for Tesla's rapid cash burn and his leverage against the organization's stock just 18 months ago. But what does one do with all that wealth? Well, it's no surprise that he would buy himself something as extravagant as a private jet, let alone more than one. With that mentioned, today our channel will take a look at Elon Musk's $70 million gigantic luxury private jet. But before we start, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. Without further ado, let's start. Elon Musk's newest private jet, the Gulfstream G550. Claiming a private jet is one of the status symbols out there that all tycoons use to show off their money. Very rich people, for example Elon Musk, are well known for their insane purchases. He can stand to burn $80 million a year on average and have the advantage of being able to pay for luxuries that a normal person would never dream of. Despite being a rich guy, Musk professed to have slept on the floor, the couch, or in the conference room at his manufacturing plant on busy days. But in any case, he likes to take the ride back home in his private jet, as most wealthy people do. The Gulfstream G550 is the newest addition to his many luxurious possessions. It has enough room for 17 passengers, yet has been changed over to a dozing setup. As per the Washington Post, Musk put on the plane more than 150,000 miles since 2018. This includes business flights to his many headquarters around the country, and also for leisurely trips as well. And since Tesla was building another vehicle plant in Texas, Musk will certainly be flying much more in the next few years. The G550's two Rolls-Royce engines play a partial role in its efficiency, which, as per Gulfstream, gives the most push of any jet in its class. The Gulfstream G550 can travel non-stop from Shanghai to Los Angeles, or New York to Moscow, at 0.8 Mach, due to being powered by more thrust than any other jet in its class. It also has an impressive travel range of 6,750 nautical miles, with a landing distance of 2,770 feet and a takeoff distance of 5,910 feet. The G550 is capable of flying executives to or from many airports outside the capabilities of other private jet models. Other significant features include a head-up display, which projects flight information to a transparent screen in the pilot's forward field of vision. Another is an enhanced vision system, which utilizes infrared tech to show what the naked eye is unable to perceive. With the assistance of three-dimensional graphics of the terrain overlaid with flight data, the pilots are provided with an understanding of their surroundings, which works even in conditions with zero visibility. But enough about the performance. What is it like on the inside? Things get super sleek and comfortable inside the cabin. Carrying up to 19 passengers, the options of 4 distinct living areas allow for lots of space, privacy, and function. There's a dedicated rest area for the crew, a conference area, a private stateroom, and an entertainment space. According to Gulfstream, a bespoke detail of the G550, which makes it completely unique in its class, is the option to find the full-size galley, either forward or aft. Aside from the airplane never feeling crowded, the jet offers a tranquil ride. This is due to the advanced sound suppression methods that keep out motor noise, making significant meetings hassle and distraction-free. It also helps with watching films and sleeping soundly. Speaking of, the G550 can accommodate up to 8 people when it comes to sleeping. Those extravagant, wide leather chairs can be easily converted into comfortable beds, making for the ideal distraction-free trip. Don't forget that this jet is designed for the business elite, Elon Musk, so its interiors are designed to accommodate individuals who travel in work mode. The cabin fills in as a completely functional office, furnished with a wireless network, satellite communication, Iridium phone, a fax machine, and a printer. The Gulfstream G550 also guarantees internet alternatives to keep its passengers connected to life on the ground. What likewise separates the G550 from the rest is the amount that it can be customized. When the living spaces and gallery position are picked, every area can be furnished with the unique style of its owners. Long, delicate couches, outlandish wood details, hand-sewn leathers, and exotic textiles can be altered to any colour the owner wants. The top-notch quality of the video equipment, sparkling finishes on the tables and ledges, shining goblets and flatware, and signature Gulfstream windows, which allow a lot of natural light, further impress passengers lucky enough to fly on this jet. Every component of the cabin addresses the craftsmanship and care of Gulfstream and its elite group of designers. It's definitely a jet for the elite class. Being the first jet to feature the plain view integrated avionics flight deck with synthetic vision, G550 was the first Gulfstream to offer enhanced vision using an infrared camera. It also offers a head-up display, all thanks to Honeywell's Primus Epic avionics suite. The G550 was one of the first business jets assembled by Gulfstream to offer a cockpit where pilots would utilize cursor-controlled devices and electronic displays instead of traditional knobs, dials, and switches. G550 was positioned by Gulfstream as a very flexible aircraft, mainly because of its ability to operate at up to 51,000 feet and its extensive range. The aircraft has accomplished 55 speed records in total over its time in service, as per Gulfstream. One of Gulfstream's most uniquely modified special missions versions of the G550 was assembled for the Beijing Red Cross Emergency Medical Center. It was the medical industry's first such aircraft in 2018 to offer a patient bed that provides medical staff 360-degree in-flight patient access. Unfortunately, just 8 months after Gulfstream introduced its new G700 business jet at the 2019 NBAA Business Aviation Conference and Exhibition, a cease to the manufacture of the G550 came forth. It was a tough call, after all. It completed its first flight only in February and added a second and third test aircraft to the certification program in the month prior. Gulfstream then declared labour force reductions in a cost-cutting effort to address challenges it has faced as a result of the pandemic in May 2020. Now, how much does the G550 cost? Depending on the configuration, the list price of a brand new G550 is currently around $61.5 million. However, for those built in 2005 to 2006, the average asking price is in the range of $18 million to $21 million. Newer models that are 2012 to 2013 vintage and are around 5 to 6 years old are normally in the range of $28 to $31 million. As for pre-owned G550s, prices vary depending on the engine hours and total airframe, record keeping, maintenance, and overall condition. Based on the price, famous people like Elon Musk can purchase one fairly easily. Other well-known figures who have owned a Gulfstream G550 are Mark Cuban, Tom Brady, Jack Ma, Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, Robert Kraft, Dwayne Johnson, Steven Spielberg, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Oprah Winfrey. Sure makes you feel jealous, doesn't it? Well, just like what Elon Musk said, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favour. So, go get that private jet. Or not. Maybe just a car is enough. What do you think of Elon's private jet? Let us know in the comments section down below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to stay updated whenever we release a new video. Other than that, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.